Hey everybody, Jim King back out here with my A-team, my amigos, the King Piers Cartel, I like to call us. We go from foundation to foundation. Generally we're pairing foundations, but sometimes we get a job like this. And on this one here, just in this corner, we're gonna come in here and do our block foundation renovation, and that is seal all the cracks and then come in with our wire and then coat the walls, kind of like a stucco, except it's very high strength concrete. We're gonna go from the floor to this little top here and the rest of the wall. The reason this is here is this originally used to be a crawl space. This was the original foundation, and then whoever lived here, 50, 60, 70 years ago, decided to make it a full-size basement, so they started digging, and this here's what I call a bulkhead wall. We do them solid concrete, but this one here, it's held up all right. It's not really leaning. It's a block and then got dirt inside of it and then a concrete cap over the top of it. We're gonna seal all this up. He's getting water in here, and so stay tuned. King Piers out here in Overland Park for the very best and the finest foundation repair money can buy. Call me, 816-521-8915. You can always visit my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.